So as you can see, ChatGPT, as I was actually rambling on, is generating the actual modules and the lessons step by step that you would actually take the information to generate your course for Udemy. Now, the key thing is you want to be original. Your course is actually a portion of you developing something with the passion that you have. So reach deep into regards to, something that you can brand and you have knowledge about. For example, I have a background in engineering as well as a master's in business administration and marketing. So with my passion and drive right now with the discovering of artificial intelligence tools and marketing, I mean, it's just great in being able to see the different opportunities and possibilities that are done. Now, since I have those credentials where going to Murray State University and receiving my electromechanical engineering degree and having my master's in business, I'm able to look at Udemy's platform and see what courses that I can actually show value in regards to having that type of educational basis, as well as having over 20 years of experience in the different things of being a serial entrepreneur. So being a licensed insurance broker, being a tax preparer, being a mortgage broker, being a nonprofit consultant, being a part of business, and just being a part of change in artificial intelligence with SEO, change digital marketing, the digital piece that's going to bring everything together, not only in the community of Detroit, but global and abroad. Because again, it's a mission. There's an opportunity with artificial intelligence, and using ChatGPT and these tools are going to help us elevate to the next dimension.